Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Honda Civic EX. Now, as standard on the Honda Civic EX, you do get 4 front parking sensors. You also get LED daytime running lights and of course halogen front headlights. You also get these brilliant 18-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do actually get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice it is an early 2018, and moving into the rear, we've got your 4 rear parking sensors across your rear bumper just there. We've then got your reversing camera just up at the top there, just to make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've then got plenty of room in the tailgate area, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You've also got a nice little pullover privacy shelf as well, which does detach so you can move it and it won't get damaged or lost. You've then also got your 12-volt power outlet just below there. And moving back out and round, you'll probably already noticed as well, you do get a full glass opening sunroof, just showing you the rear alloy as well. In the back of the car now, you'll notice that we have got full leather interior with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. You've then also got full keyless entry, full keyless start. All windows are fully electric and automatic as well. You've then got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox and your ECON, your damper settings and your stop start on or off. You've then got dual climate control at the front with 2 front heated seats, all of which is controlled via your touchscreen display just here. You've then got your satellite navigation. You've also got all of your various audio sources just there. And last but not least, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, and of course your onboard computer controls. We've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side, along with automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and of course only 25,223 miles on the clock. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.